Floki price prediction. In the last Floki video, I said I'm going short and I'll be adding to my short, and I added to my short, and now we are in profit on the second short, overall profit on the shorts, and I'm looking for a very nice retracement. Where will I take profits on all these shorts, and what do I expect? Obviously, that pump yesterday was pretty unexpected. To an extent, it was pretty expected because we wanted to get the weak shorts with close stops out of the way. So where would I be interested in taking profit? So my take profit strategy would be very simple. I will be interested in taking profit right here at the 6307 area. So just mark it on the chart right here. So one of the trades will be a 9%, the second trade will be a 24% trade, which is insane. This is huge money, and I'm doing this without leverage. But yeah, this is basically how I'm planning to trade this. Money flow is also going down. Look at this beautiful curvature. I'll make another update on Floki tomorrow. If you're interested, just hit this video with a like. This video is no financial advice. I'm making these videos daily for you with no BS. If you want to learn more, there's a link in the description down below to my Signals chat and course. I won't waste a second of your time.